Crypto whales are buying these three altcoins, and Ripple's expecting a final ruling in the next few weeks. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Did you know that our partners at Bybit are giving out up to $30,000 in bonuses? You also have a chance to win a new iPhone 14. Just check out the link in the description below. On Thursday, the stablecoin issuer Circle Financial announced the EuroPeg crypto asset EuroC is expanding natively to the Avalanche blockchain. According to Circle, several decentralized finance protocols and projects are now supporting the AVAX-issued EuroC asset. About 11 months ago, Circle launched the Euro stablecoin called EuroCoin as its second major fiat peg token. The EuroC stablecoin was initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token. Currently, there are about 47 million EuroC in circulation. On Twitter, Circle announced that the stablecoin will be now hosted natively on the proof-of-stake blockchain Avalanche, saying it's official, EuroC is now multi-chain and live on Avalanche today. Developers can build on top of EuroCoin on Avalanche to deliver faster, more efficient solutions for users to send, spend, save, lend, and borrow with a fully reserved euro-backed stablecoin. Circle further noted that EuroC already has support from key DeFi applications and protocols like Curve Finance, Cable Finance, Trader Joe, Pangle Index, BenQ, and others. In a blog post published on Thursday, Circle said it also offers access to Avalanche EuroC liquidity for qualified businesses with a Circle account. Synthetics weekly trading volume surpassed $1 billion, overtaking decentralized exchange GMX to become the second most active platform. The trading volume data from Token Terminal shows that Synthetics did more than twice the trading volume of GMX in the 7-day period starting on May 17th, thanks to Optimism token incentives for perpetual swap traders. Synthetics token has encountered resistance at the $2.50 level after gaining around 10% in the last 7 days. On the other hand, GMX and DYDX are experiencing a decline in trading activity, while their native tokens are eyeing bearish targets based on technical levels. Synthetics offers perpetual futures contracts on Layer 2 rollup optimism via a decentralized application called Quenta. The Synthetics community approved a proposal to distribute 3.65 million OP tokens worth around $5.7 million as rewards to Quenta users and their trading activity and amount of SNX staked for 20 weeks starting in April. Quenta's usage has spiked since the March 2023 announcement, per DeFi Llama data suggesting that it could partially be due to OP token rewards. According to the Dune dashboard, every $1 in fees spent on Synthetics perpetuals earns $1.27 in OP incentives. Traders can earn the difference of 27 cents per dollar by simply placing trades on both the short and long sides to cover the trading risk and earn the incentives. The total value locked in Synthetics has remained consistently around the early 2023 levels at around $430 million, which suggests that new money isn't yet flowing into the ecosystem. Previously, analysts have suggested that DYDX volumes might be inflated due to token incentives for higher volumes, and currently Quenta shows a similar trend. Kean Warwick, the founder of Synthetics, proposed 12 improvements to the protocol on May 23rd, including a buyback and burn program to potentially remove Synthetics tokens worth around $60 million from circulation. Binance Marketplace is launching an NFT loan feature where digital asset holders can secure ETH loans by using their NFTs as collateral. The new service, called Binance NFT Loan, will allow people to use blue chip NFTs to borrow crypto, starting with ETH, introducing the benefits of DeFi to the Binance NFT community. According to the platform, the tool offers competitive interest rates, instant liquidity, zero gas fees, and liquidity protection. It uses a peer-to-pool approach, where Binance acts as the pool for loans. The feature launching today will initially support Ethereum loans only and NFTs from Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Azuki, and Duos collections. Maher Kamat, the head of production at Binance, said in a press release that the new feature will provide new liquidity options for holders, allowing them to participate in the market without having to let go of their precious NFTs. We've added a host of features that make it a one-stop shop for NFT trading and financial services for our community. Binance has recently been expanding its NFT offerings to stay competitive, embracing trends seen across the crypto space. In March, the platform launched a beta for Picasso, an artificial intelligence-powered NFT generator, and in May, it announced that it would soon have support for Bitcoin NFTs. Crypto exchange Gemini has selected Dublin as the headquarters for its European operations amid a backdrop of crypto companies seeking expansion outside of the United States. On May 25th, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, who founded Gemini in 2014, confirmed that they had selected Ireland as a base to grow the company's services across Europe. In a meeting with Ireland's Prime Minister Leo Varadkar, the twins said that they chose Ireland because of its robust regulatory system, deep talent pool, and established technology community. According to research from August 2022, around 10% of Irish adults surveyed held cryptocurrency. However, the figure was down from 12% during the 2021 bull market. Furthermore, the Irish central bank chief called for a ban of crypto advertising in January. But this hasn't deterred crypto companies from setting up shop there, including crypto exchanges Binance and Kraken, as well as countless blockchain and fintech startups. Varadkar commented saying, "This is significant for Ireland as the government focuses on innovation as a driver of growth." Cameron Winklevoss told reporters that Ireland is our entry point into the EU. Gemini, which already has the Dublin office with 12 staff, received a virtual asset service provider license from the Central Bank of Ireland in July 2022. The firm plans to increase its headcount following the EU adoption of the new markets and crypto asset regulation, which was officially approved on May 16th. The twins are predicting a big boost to the crypto industry following the rollout of the new regulatory framework. Santiment, the market intelligence platform, has picked up a $14 million whale transaction on the Illuvium network earlier today. In a tweet, the analysis platform noted that the transaction occurred at the peak of the Illuvium exchange supply top. Santiment's analysis explained that apart from Illuvium, Lido DAO and Holo also experienced significant whale actions. All actions involved high-volume transactions executed on their networks. Santiment described the move as a hint that a major outlier could be in the works for digital asset traders. Santiment observed that two non-exchange addresses transferred $36.4 million between themselves on Lido DAO. Santiment indicates that this could be due to several other large transactions the Lido network has experienced in 2023, hence the recent whale transaction is not an isolated event on Lido DAO. The $14 million transaction Santiment spotted on Illuvium was also between two non-exchange addresses. This transaction pushed the on-chain transaction volume of Illuvium network to new heights. Sentiment's analysis suggests that the development could become a bullish signal, and the analysis considers the current price of Illuvium as a plausible bottom zone. Illuvium traded below $47 at the time of analysis after dropping from $106. It achieved that price during a rapid rally earlier this year. Santiment also spotted a $12.7 million transaction between non-exchange addresses on the Holo network, but the analysis firm notes that the latest transaction has had no significant impact on the hot price. Santiment observes that sizable transactions have become a common occurrence on the hot network. Perhaps that could be why the influence of the latest transactions does not reflect in the price of the crypto token. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in a recent interview that he expects Ripple's prolonged legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to be over in weeks, saying this.
Now, in terms of where things stand today, I'll try to not get too much into the legal weeds. You are right that I feel very confident that we'll see a decision from the courts in this year. In fact, I think I would guess it'll be in weeks, not months. There's some decisions that happened last week that you may have read about, that the judge ruled against the SEC's effort to redact certain information about a very kind of infamous speech that the then director of corporate finance, a guy named Bill Hinman, gave.
Ripple also recently took a minority stake in the crypto exchange Bitstamp in the first quarter of 2023. Ripple acquired shares previously owned by Pantera Capital, a digital asset investment firm based in the United States. Pantera was one of the largest shareholders in Bitstamp until 2018, when the exchange was acquired by a Belgium-based investment firm. At the time, the company was valued at $60 million. The ties between Ripple and Bitstamp date back years. The exchange previously served as a gateway for Ripple's XRP token. It's not a coincidence that XRP pairs hold the second and third positions as most traded on Bitstamp, just behind Bitcoin. Bitstamp is also the second largest XRP market after crypto exchange Binance. The balance of available Ether across crypto exchanges dropped to a 5-year low on May 26, bringing the total amount of Ether held on exchanges to 17.86 million. A drastic decline in the exchange supply of ETH like this has not happened since April 2018. According to Glassnode data, only 14.85% of the total Ether supply is currently held on centralized exchanges, compared to the 25% of supply held during the 2021 bull run. The drop in ETH supply began in September 2022, dropping significantly after the FTX crisis in November. Apart from a decline in the exchange balance, the Ethereum wallet addresses holding more than 100 ETH have also declined to a 6-month low. The Chappelle upgrade made way for thousands of validators to withdraw their staked ETH. However, contrary to popular belief, a minority of validators decided to unstake, while the majority only withdrew their staking rewards. The movement of assets away from exchanges is considered a bullish sign, indicating that traders are not looking to sell at the current price. In Ethereum's case, restaking ETH is the most apparent reason for the declining exchange supply. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can earn up to $30,000 and a new iPhone 14 with Bybit. For more details, check out this in-depth video made on how to enter, all linked down below. That's it for your altcoin buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.